Hi guys, I'm so happy to present you the Boxycharm x Fenty Beauty collaboration this month. The Takeover box is full of cool classic products from the brand, and those are Rihanna's favorite products. And I cannot be more excited to show you what is inside the box. The box was gifted by Boxycharm. You can join the Boxycharm premium waitlist. You can find 6 to 7 full-size products, and you pay $25 the first month, and then it goes to $35. The link is in the description down below. This is an affiliate link. I'm going to do a demo of the products from the box and also the swatches at the end of the video. I will put timestamps in the description and all the links to the products. These are affiliate links. That means that I earn a little bit of commission if you are using those links at no cost for you. Thank you for those who use those links because it helps my channel and my page. And let's get started. I already applied my foundation and I'm starting off with the bronzer. I'm using this one, and I apply the product on all over the face. So here and here. I almost place it like I would place my blush. I like to go over it. I place the product where the sun hits the face naturally. So I place that on the nose here. I also put a little bit of bronzer onto my neck. It's always lighter, so here there's no two arch lines. I'm using this palette today. This is the Moroccan Spice by Fenty Beauty. This is the inside of the palette. We have some beautiful neutral shades and also some pop of colors. Today I'm inspired with those colors, and I think it's going to be perfect for spring. To start off, I'm using this brush. I'm placing the base color. So the base color today is this one. Pretty classic brown. So I place the product here. Already show you how I do that on a regular basis. I did it plenty of times on my tutorials. I place the product here. Not too much, just for the transition. Adding some color. I'm using the beautiful red shade. I love red eyeshadows. That's so pretty. It also gives some edge. It's not that boring. So I deepen up my eye look. For the flat monoline, I like to build the color like this, creates more depth usually. So I place the red like this, so it's not too powerful. I'm zoomed in, and I place the colors like this. We are already on the lower lash line, and for this part I'm placing the red and the brown, so we have a nice continuation of the colors. I'm going there with my finger using this shade, like this, and I place the product here. This shade is not that pigmented, but with the finger it's more visible, and I'd like to add some pop. I'm using this shade, which is a duochrome. It has some gold and green and orange, so it's very rich. And I'm adding here onto the center. I think the color is really cute, like this. Now onto the lower lash line, and I'm going back with this one, and this one. And I place the product here. Crazy with this color, because I'm coming with this eyeliner from Fenty Beauty. So, as usual, you follow the line of your eyes like this, and you continue. And I'm doing my line like this. And you fill in the big gap. Now the mascara with Nabla. I told you already, but this one is really nice because it doesn't smudge. So the eyes are already done. Eyes are done now, so I can move on to the rest of the face. I'm using the Match Stix, which is in the shade Chili Mango. It's bright orange with some shimmers in it. So I place pretty high. It looks more fresh. And use my brush like this. This is from Sigma. This is your dual fiber brush. I think this is the best to apply the blush. And also here. And I apply. I place that pretty high. Gives a more useful look, I feel like. And a little bit like this. I'm using Killawatt, and this is in the shade Trophy Wife, which is a beautiful gold color. It's very intense. So I'm using this large fluffy brush because it gives a more natural finish, if I may say, because natural with this one, I don't think so. And you apply the product, so you see it's super pigmented, and also because I used the blush underneath, which is a cream formula, it's even more intense. But I don't mind today because it's fun also. And what I like to do when I use such a pigmented product, I like to dab the product here and add a little bit onto the brow bone. So there's a nice junction. Not sure about the term. And a little bit more here. So it's something a little bit special. Maybe not on the nose today because I feel like it's too much. I can see that this eyeshadow is maybe too intense, so I'm just swiping with a large brush the product. So you see, it's still cute. And for the lips, I'd like to go for something cute. So I'm using a single. Combination of all this warm shade. It looks pretty cute. And to finish off the look, I'm using Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk, which is a translucent shade with some sparkle in it. So this is the look. I love this golden glow. I think it's really gorgeous. It is a little bit more edgy than my regular looks. And also, I love the combination with those peachy tones. I can also try Shorty, which is also another shade. I wanted to try other lipsticks so you can see how they look paired with this eye look. We would also try another shade for a more summer look. This is Candy Venom. So we can move on to the swatches now. I think those lipsticks are incredible. The pigmentation is crazy. You can see with one swipe, the color is extremely intense and full. Now those are the matchsticks, and we have 4 beautiful shades. What I like the most about them is that they apply and blend onto the skin very beautifully and easily. And now this is the Moroccan Space palette, and I think it's beautiful. We have some neutral shades and a little bit of colors. Here are the swatches. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to see more content, I am on Instagram every single day. I hope to see you very soon.